guys, welcome back to my channel. Before we get started, click that subscribe button, turn notifications, give me a huge thumbs up. Today I will read you a book called Birds RedBOOK. Okay, let's get started. Birds RedBOOK. Birds RedBOOK by Rosen and Jonathan Kerf, illustrated by Mitchell J. Smolin. This book is going to be about things that are red, like red things. You know red things. To start off, I'm going to show you what the color red looks like. I've got something red right here in this bag. Guys, comment below what you see red here. Anything red, anything red. Comment below fast. You know what I see? I see the red thing that light, whatever it's called, I forgot. Something red. It's funny. I know I put something red in here this morning. What else do you see red? It's not that. I see a red car. I see some apples. I see the person wearing a red hat and clothes. There should be something else on the next page, I think. Maybe. Red is a very, very beautiful color. I think you're going to like it. What do you see red now? Don't know. Maybe the person right there. Maybe more stuff in the middle. Maybe his tie. Maybe. Just hold on a minute. I know there's something red in here somewhere. A lot of traffic right now going on. No. Hold on, comment below what else you see on this page. It's red. I seem to have some bird seed. In here. Bird seed isn't red. Bird seed. That's really weird. What is in here? Hey! None of this stuff is red! So much things are red now. I see. I think that's Santa over there. Oh, and guess what else is red? Comment below. I'll see if you found out. I'll tell you at the end of the book. I wonder what happened. I was sure I put something red in this bag. Yep, Santa's here. There's somebody else over here. Flags. Oh, look, that's so much toys. None of it is red. That's kind of red, maybe. I don't know. Like brown, but like red too. I guess this is the wrong bag. Golly. I must have put all the red things in some other bag. Some red things in the background. He doesn't even see it. Didn't I have another bag with me a few minutes ago? No? Wait a minute. Maybe that was yesterday. But you're missing out some red stuff. That's possible. That's a lot of possibility. Say, I'm really sorry. I'm afraid this book has. Say, I'm really sorry. I'm afraid this book hasn't been as interesting as I had hoped. Red Rose Florist, whatever. I was writing that and that. Look at that puppy! He has a collar that's red. He's mixing so much red stuff in the background over here, all over the page. Birds that are red. Squash! Everybody's like, what happened? Oh no, that's a big mess. That's funny. That bag was full of tomatoes. I wonder why anyone would leave a bag full of tomatoes on this bench. Maybe that's him. The end. Okay, I'm going to show you the thing that was red in that page. Let me find the page. Here. Wait. The page. Okay. If you ever commented this, it was, hey, that word is red. Oh God. Comment. That's the end of the book. Thank you guys for watching. Give me a huge thumbs up. Click that subscribe button like this. Okay, so this book is red, and I hate that because it has to be gray. This is gray. I like that part. But pretend this is the subscribe button. Press that, it'll turn this color. Silver, but looks like gray a little bit. So, please, like the walls. That color. Thank you. Bye. Thank you for reading that book.